Nice little rainstorm. Nice little spring shower. Just finished bringing the dock in about, oh, I'd say a good 6 feet to get the wheels back on shore. 6 linear feet, not water depth. Still a beautiful thing. Beats the best day at work being here when it rains. And for those who haven't seen the Finally Got Her Done, that's our boat right there. Got to take it out for a little bit yesterday, but doesn't look like we'll be taking her back out the rest of the time we're here because it's supposed to rain.